Because only water this video, Metoma can share button sharing this video. And somebody should tag Okwuluora Ndigbo to this video. Tag Okwuluora Ndigbo na this video. Okwuluora Ndigbo, onwere ofife nchọrọ ka mmeke mata. Go. Onwere ofife nchọrọ ka mmeke mata. The world will still go on without you. Even while the world will still go on without you. I show you to that for Echenama, this world they are the post. Echenama Ndigbo, na yenwezi more Igbo men and women because no norozie. Even Juwena Gwagefa, this is the time you need to help yourself. This is the time you need to help yourself. And only somebody no closer to Okwuluora Ndigbo, and they love Okwuluora Ndigbo so much. See Okwuluora Ndigbo nezugo barrier. It is time for you to help yourself. No mwanya apu. I saw the video. Okwuluora na-emeru mmadụ fundraising. Blue bandage n'ọkpa. Look at his face. Ime ya anya n'ihu. Nene stamina ntosu wekwulu. Emala na nwoke. Weka nwoke si we nolo. Enough is enough. My brother, let me tell you. In this case, there is no way you are subjecting your health. We may play gamble because you want to save others. I'm telling you the truth. You need to give yourself a break. Give yourself a break. Yeah? He who fight and run away live to fight another day. Yeah? Eka ya zota mo Igbo people ndo. Karịa mane nwụrụ anwụ. Karịa mane nwụrụ anwụ. And all these people who are well to do, because now man people like us little thing why not sustain. Yes, in our own little way, I not contribute to what, but then will major people who are major financiers to the ministry of Okwuluora in terms of ego on erase were going the madaka because na ma yo na yo for so Okwuluora Ndigbo nyeri aka. Many by fire by force. Una ayo na ya yo. Weruni owuro obodo na akpọpụ Okwuluora Ndigbo. Ojegodu nogodu nwobele nene godu nwe ya anya nene health ya anya. Nya wolugodu time jegodu maru no nwere ifo ye mo nwe. The young man na apụ na mmadu. O nwere iko na ada afie. There is nothing you can ever do. Ndem ụwa niile zukozie siri wezigbo mmadu. Let me tell you, actually to that afro day, life goes on. It may not even take long for people to forget about you. Look at the lesson that Patrick gave about today. Na compound there. No man go to the life goes on. All those things in a man. If I know back and no sleep. If I know back, the only time if I know back will a good cool 8, 9, 10 hours sleep won't go on an Omeheme on a moto before Ola Belola Utetakwana. Only make do meeting beye on a 4-5 from Kototo. The same Madivene convoy ya start Kwana, Emufukwana, Onoreba. If you need now on a bagale or Koso, Kodronda Nama, because I keep telling people, or for his own good, let me tell you, Moke got a gubuna miami before about politics. What are you telling me? At 30 something years, Moke enjoy Shadi Fini enjoy no what. At something years, on a private jet, on a cruise ship, on a Rolls Royce, on a Bentley, on a Banana Island, on we go almost Ike or Mole. Phase 1 or go Zebra, on almost 2 of it. Yeah, as asset and properties, this man no know what. Only no what or ye rich when it is a sad reality, but you must accept it. Abu Maganden also not the bankrupt. No, go. No, actually go to politics. The fact is that he spent more money in politics. Almost more money in politics than on what are you telling me? But today, all those things, if I in a dog assume when during the height of insecurity, all those things, as a politician, he is one of the most active politicians in Southeast Asia. He's everywhere. It doesn't take him anything to sit down and enjoy the money only with as a senator. He doesn't need to show the working. Mother don't even have to show the working. But he keep trying to show the workings. You know, almost his own backside or so, shortcomings. But the fact remains that after Onwuchalu in Ichaye, even this Catholic diocese of Nnewi, Catholic cathedral, the Catholic Nnewi, I can tell you that they have forgotten about him. Upon now, that church up to 80%, but they will now appreciate people. From 80-something% they are happy. The cathedral, they will even appreciate those people more than him laying the foundation. Because a living corporal is far more better than a paid general. Because it is only a living corporal that can live to tell the story. I'm telling you the truth. Okwuluora Ndigbo, this is bro to bro. I am telling you the truth. You must not please everybody. You need rest. You need love. You need to be taken care of now. Make yourself available so that people can take care of you now. Negative people know diabetes. You will if you show one day, allow you any breaking news, Okwuluora Ndigbo is no more. Facebook or na 1 week. No ringaka or woo after aquaru. Life goes on. Everybody and then where in the short. Then oria kidney and the river. If you another person who suffer for nowhere beneath the yes, who suffer for nowhere beneath the Bidokwa from ebe kusere. Bidokwa from ebe kusere. I think at this point, you don't need to be everywhere. You need to help yourself. Because even you, in a shock, is on the madondo. You deserve to live. You deserve redondo because natural there are people who will be under constant pain. There are people who ye metokari chanobi because no madu you one day they look up to you. And you are their hope. I'm talking about your immediate family and relatives. So when you look at all these things, you should help yourself. You must not please everybody. Look at you. If you take fundraising, you have done enough for Igbo to celebrate you, even if you don't do anything from now henceforth. Igbo do grateful. They should celebrate and appreciate that God will allow somebody to Okwuluora Ndigbo. So that you can stay alive. When time our people you know, or on a me, actual mother for her, the mother will appreciate and celebrate you. Don't people will celebrate you. Yes. Don't people will celebrate you. Ekwena ka owo no nka ye celebrate you. You want to go? Help yourself. You need help. I called you the time your mom on a Nnewi. I did everything possible to come and see your mom. Or can people also turn up for you? You refused. If I don't like it, than them mad if basalo, but in I like it, that people if basalo does so. You will pay me Bula Jaffa. They will still not allow you to have peace. So also Shineke na afro be mad. And also Shineke Yapo if in a me or Bolom Madu. Oh, one day no assisi what is you know, because Nandi ba like he former, no actually former. My brother, give yourself a break. Not because you cannot do this anymore, but because you also need to stay alive. You are not looking all right the way it's for. This is my own brotherly love. This show love because of how much I appreciate and value you as an Igbo man, as an epitome of humanity. Take care of yourself. You need rest. You need break. You need to look after yourself. You need to take your health serious. You gotta go help yourself. Stay Give yourself a break. All these people who know Okwuluora close. Okwuluora needs that subject you into all this. Rather, I will even want him to relegate some of this function to some people. Let them do it. I'm an offending when they what about their selfish interest? They may bring bad names for you. You want to go? But give yourself a break. Give yourself a break. Share this video and Kwenu Okwuluora Ndigbo. Go and take care of yourself. If care is not taken, take a vacation off. Go on a medical leave and break to either India or anywhere. Go there. Let yourself and take good care of yourself. You need at least 5-6 months break off from all this stress. You need it. And you know that you need it. Overwork is no way. Learn from the life of Senator Yoba. Today, nobody talks about him anymore. Only few people talks about him. Look at even Southeast Development Commission. It is only a senator where capacity can be able to bring such bill, influence the north and the south. How we be together to see that Igbo need the healing, that Igbo need the interest South Development Commission, where console, heal, where make a form of reconciliation na South or South to come Niger Delta, sorry. Niger Delta, Mono. You want to go? Yes, all South now. You want to go? Nandi Igbo need it. Northeast Development Commission. Age we will reconcile ya buku obodo dozi obodo we hiru obodo for alunine book and the haram meruha. The same thing with Niger Delta. He we wokosi obodo makife militant meruha. Now somebody want to make a Southeast Development Commission. If I your back sponsor bill, I push your guy. Even right now, Bulgaria appoint to go OEC Southeast Development Commission. If I your back's name is missing everywhere because it's not alive. Oh no, tata. That man supposed to can be celebrate here. You want to go? But look, onye mwana lose, onye don't get the. So Okwuluora, even now, you need to stay alive, and it is only you at this point who can help yourself to stay alive. Give yourself 6 months break. Come back later and continue the work you are doing. For you will do it more better if you are alive than when you are no more. All these people, you are wondering yourself, if you die today, some of them will still survive. Share this video.